Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am doing a clean and fall decorate with me on my movie bar in my family room. So as you can see here, this is my movie bar and I need to add a little fall decor. But before I do that, I need to wipe things down on this bar. I will be using one of my favorite cleaners during this time of year, and this is the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner, the Orange Clove. Guys, this scent is absolutely amazing, and it happens to be one of my favorite items of the season to use in my home. I'm giving this a good wipe down so I can have a clean surface to put some of the things that we need on this bar, as well as decorations, fall decor, guys. So I have moved over my popcorn maker that I picked up from Target. I picked this up a year or two ago, and they do still sell this same popcorn maker in Target right now. I'm moving over to the left. You can see my Goodwill find. I was blessed to score on this lamp. When I saw it, I knew it will be a perfect fit in this space. So right now I'm going to add my potato chip stand. I usually buy the variety pack from the grocery store and add my chips on this stand that I picked up from Amazon. When I saw this was a must-have for this area. And I put these out every week for my family. Not just because we're having a movie night. This is an area that they know they can go find some chips in. Now I'm adding back my popcorn containers. And these containers I also found thrifting. These are some nice ceramic containers. And here's the look of my movie bar so far. I'm loving it. I have the staple pieces on here. I did remove a piece, a tiered stand that I kept on here. I wanted to loosen it up a bit, not to have it so cluttered, and I'm loving this. Now next you will see how I've added my fall decor. I just added everything that I love about the fall season. All of the fall flowers, fall pumpkins, acorns, everything that I love about the fall season. Giving you a close-up look on everything that I've done. And I have on this movie bar. This is the perfect time of year to make memories and sit down with family and enjoy a movie. Cuddle up on the sofa with your favorite throw. Fix some popcorn and have some soda pop and enjoy a movie. I hope that this has been some inspiration to you. Do you have a movie bar in your home? If so, let me know down in the comments section. And what do you like to place on your movie bar? If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope that you decide to stay. If so, please click that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I'm so glad that you are a part of this family. I love you guys so much, and I thank you for all of the support and love you give to this channel. I am trying to reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Guys, we are so close. So I will appreciate it if you tell your neighbor, tell your friend, tell your family about Diva Designing on a Dime. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.